What's up, guys? BenSamulakTV here, tuning in. A couple interesting things to share about Dogecoin today. Something Elon Musk said. I was watching a video, and then also something interesting I saw happening today with Dogecoin. But first, let me share my screen with you. Now, just remember, like Elon Musk says in this video, Dogecoin is speculative. So in that sense, don't bet the farm. Don't, all cryptocurrencies, right? We're looking at are speculative. So just be careful. Just use money that I think with all cryptocurrencies that you potentially could lose. Just be careful. That's all. And everything I'm talking about now is this is not. I'm not giving you investment advice here. It's all for educational and entertainment purposes. These videos, but something that I noticed here. So you can watch this video. I'm not going to play it. It was on the TMZ site, but I got a quote out of there. What Elon Musk said. So you can watch this if you want. But here's what he said. Let me pull up my it says, this is what he said. He says, the point is Dogecoin it was invented as a joke, essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. And that's why I think that's an argument. Fate loves irony. Like the most entertaining outcome, I mean, what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency. So to the moon. That's what he says. Okay. So think about it. These guys, when Elon Musk tweeted about Tesla going to 420, it cratered before it made all-time new highs and just kept going. So to me, this the potential for a 5 cent coin to go up is very good. I mean, I like the chances. I like this as a speculative bet, okay, a speculative trade. So that being said, here's what I saw today that was very interesting. Here's the price of Bitcoin right now, 52,160, and then here's Dogecoin, 51,6. So they're not exactly together, but they're kind of coupled today. They're coupled. So when Bitcoin went down to 49 or to 50,000, Dogecoin was down close to 5 cents. As it went up to 52,000, Dogecoin went up to close to 0.52 cents. So in a way, they're coupled, which is bad news and good news. We don't want Dogecoin to stay coupled with Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, Dogecoin goes to 10 cents, that's great, but then why wouldn't you just not buy a fraction of Bitcoin? Regardless, if you even buy a fraction of Bitcoin and it doubles, you're still doubling your money, okay? It doesn't matter if you buy a whole Bitcoin or not. So in that sense, that would be the more secure bet. If any cryptocurrency is going to go up, most likely Bitcoin. Now, as a speculative bet, we want to see these not coupled. We want to see these decoupled. We want to see Dogecoin going away from Bitcoin, being able to do its own thing. So that's why I saw that. I thought that's kind of interesting, which I don't want to keep seeing that. I want to see Dogecoin, break away. Even if it breaks down, I don't care. Here's what I'm doing. You all can do whatever you want. I have a certain position on Dogecoin, which I'm just willing to lose, and I'm leaving it until it goes to $1. Okay. Or I know Dogecoin should be going to $1. I'm not leaving all that to go to $1. Sorry, excuse me. Let me correct that. If Dogecoin drops, let's put it that way, I still have a little left on the sideline that I'm willing to put into Dogecoin. And I'll show you where I'm looking at here. I set up this zone. This is a really nice, attractive level. I'm not going to say why. This is not a trading tutorial video, but from my trading background and education, this 3 cents level here, between like 3.35 and I'd say 0.3, anywhere in there. I mean, there's specifics here if you want to look at it, but I'm just saying anywhere within 3 cents to 0.35 would be a place. And even look at that, it's hitting a trend line right there. So what is that, like the 50? That looks like maybe the 50 or the 200 maybe. So it's hitting this trend line inside of my zone. So at that point, I might add on a little more, if it goes down to that, which I don't know if it will, but it's possible with the way cryptocurrencies are swinging, okay? So I think that's the 50, the 100, and the 200. So I'm thinking we're looking at the 100-day moving average as a support level with my targeted zone, okay? So when it hits this zone, anywhere in there, even if it just touches, even if it gets close to it, I might add on. I might not even wait, but this is a one-day chart. So if it comes into this zone, if it, and if it goes under that, I don't care. I'm adding on right there. I'm not waiting anymore. And that's it. Then I'm done. Okay. I'm done with my add-ons. If it never gets to the zone, my other plan is if it goes to 10 cents, then that's my double. I'm taking half of my money out. Okay. You guys could do whatever you want. You can hold it to the moon. You can, but I've been trading a long time. I have trading education. I've traded different markets, commodities, and I've seen it many times. One of the things that when I've talked to people who are unsuccessful at trading, they either buy too late or sell too late. They don't have trade. They don't have a trading strategy. They don't have any targets. They don't have a plan. They don't use stops. One of many different things of why people lose money in the stock market. But you have to have a plan. You have to have a strategy. What is it? Pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered, right? So in that sense, if this thing doubles, you would be foolish not to remove some of your gains. And then at that point, for me, I don't care. It's a free trade, and I can let that thing go to $10, $100, whatever. My next target might be $10. I might take some more off, But in that sense, you this could go to the moon, but who's to say when it's going to stop? You don't know. So in that point, you need to have a strategy to at least recover what you put in. So at that point, you can just sit back and just collect and use the other half to find another speculative bet, or to find something that's a little more secure, like a stock that's going to pay you dividends, and you can just collect dividends on that for your retirement. Whatever it is, you have to have a strategy. So that's what my plan is. If we get down to this 3 cent zone, low threes, I'd say, or mid threes, then I'm adding my last position of Dogecoin, and then that's it. And then I'm going to wait. If it goes to 10 cents, I can at least half my initial investment. I will also have what I put in at this time will also be multiplied, so it'll be more than a double. So I will not only double my money, I will have profit at that time. If I get a double from here, if we don't ever get to this 3.35, then I'll still get a double. That's fine. I'll take my half. And my original intention, though, is to make money with Dogecoin, so I can hold at that point as long as I have to then gain whatever upside we can. And depending on Bitcoin goes to 300,000, 100,000. Dogecoin, I think then, especially if it's used as a currency, could go to $10, $20, $100. We'll see. But all I needed to do is go to 10 cents, and I've doubled my money. Okay, and I'm happy, and I'm a happy guy. If it does drop, which is definitely possible, I'll add on. And then if it continues down and doesn't ever come back, well, that's it. I've lost my initial investment, which like I said, I have not put in anything that I'm not willing to lose, that I'm not going to lose sleep over at night. So in that sense, everyone has different. I'm a little older. I got 2 kids. You may be younger. You may be able to have a different strategy that works according to your risk level and according to your goals. You have to have a strategy, though. You have to have a plan. If not, I've had a lot of people coming to me. I double my money. Okay, then why do you want some advice from me? Why do you want help? Because now I'm down 50%. I was up 300%. You were. Where are you at now? I'm down, 100%. That's a funny thing too. You don't sell when you're up 2, 3, 4, 10 times, but you sell when you're down. You don't sell until you're down about 50% of your money or whatever. So think about that. That's the other thing, is you have to know when to cut your losses if you have a good strategy. If you're not willing to lose everything you put in, like this is, to me, is more of a speculative bet. Typically in trading, I'm using stops. I know when I'm getting out. I know what my cutoff is, and then I go to the next trade, or else I reposition and look again for a new trade. So that's it. I'm going to stop there. I just want to keep this short, but that's what I saw today. Let me read this one more time. I thought this was a very, very cool quote from Elon Musk. I'll read this one more time, and then I'll end. The point is, Dogecoin was invented as a joke, essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. And that's why I think that's an argument. Fate loves irony. Like the most entertaining outcome. I mean, what would be the most ironic outcome? That the cryptocurrency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency. So, to the moon. Thanks for tuning in, guys. BenSamulakTV. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, like, hit the bell, whatever. You know what I'm talking about, all that stuff. You all know. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you next time, BenSamulakTV. Have a great day, guys. Bye.